Most people think getting rich is about one big idea, a startup, a crypto win, a viral business. But in reality, wealth is built from boring habits repeated every day. Today, I'll show you 7 habits that quietly make you less broke. Not overnight, not with magic, but with discipline, patience, and common sense, the old school way. And yes, they are painfully simple, which is exactly why most people ignore them. Habit number 1. Pay yourself first. Most people do this backward. They pay bills, they buy stuff, and then whatever's left goes to savings. But whatever is left is usually nothing. The wealthy flip the order. They save first, then they live on the rest. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. Even 10% saved automatically beats 0% saved manually. Habit Q. Live below your means. This sounds boring. It is boring. But boring is powerful. Most people upgrade their lifestyle faster than their income. New car, new phone, new subscriptions they never use. The wealthy upgrade their assets, not their lifestyle. They delay pleasure today so freedom can arrive tomorrow. Habit 3. Invest consistently. Not when the market is exciting, not when your friend tells you a hot tip, but every month, no matter what. Consistency beats intelligence. A boring investor who never quits beats a genius who panics. Compounding is slow, then it's unstoppable. Time in the market beats timing the market. Habit 4. Track your spending. If you don't measure it, it controls you. Most people have no idea where their money goes. Coffee here, delivery there, subscriptions everywhere. Write it down. Use an app. Use a notebook like your grandfather did. Awareness alone can cut spending by 20% or more. Habit 5. Avoid lifestyle inflation. When income goes up, expenses go up. That's how people earn more but stayed broke. Instead, freeze your lifestyle. Let your income rise. Send the difference to investments. That gap is where wealth is born. Habit 6. Build multiple income streams. A job is good. A side hustle is better. Assets are best. 1 income stream is fragile. 2 is stable. 3 is powerful. Dividends, digital products, YouTube, rental income. The goal is simple. Money working while you sleep. Habit 7. Think long-term. Broke thinking is urgent. Rich thinking is patient. Most people ask, how can I make money this month? The wealthy ask, how can I be free in 20 years? Small actions done for decades beat heroic actions done once. These habits won't make you rich next week. They will make you unstoppable in 10 years. Wealth isn't loud. It's quiet, repetitive, and disciplined. Start with one habit, then another, then another. And one day, you'll realize something strange. You're not rich overnight, but you're no longer broke forever. If this helped you, subscribe to Infinite Capital. We talk about money, discipline, and building a calm, powerful financial life.